All right, good morning, scholars. So, in order for us to combine like terms here, we have to be aware of what the like terms are. Like terms are anything that have the same variable. The variables have to be identical. And when we talked in class, we talked about how if you take a line and separate your terms after the last part of the term, so after whatever's last, put a line there, and then I put a line right here. This will also show you which ones are positive and which ones are negative. So in this case, we have negative 10m, positive 1, and negative 7m. Our like terms are negative 10m and negative 7m. And when you combine them, we get negative 17m plus 1. And that is the answer here. For this one, what we want to remember is that when we have a variable with no number in front, you want to add a 1. And because the p is positive, the number is positive. So when you combine your like terms, 1p minus 8p, 1 minus 8 is going to be negative 7p. And that is going to be your answer since there are no other terms involved. Again, here we have the like terms of 3m and 6m. They're both positive, and when we combine them, we get 9m because combine means to add. And when we're adding, we just simply leave the term the way it is. There's no exponent. So 3m and 6m is 9m plus 2. 2 is the constant, and there's no variable. So it just stands alone. Now let's try a few on your own.